Next, I will talk about problem statements. The first current problem is that the process of manually purchasing bus tickets at the ticket counter takes a longer time. People's journey to the bus station has already taken a long time. They also have to line up to buy the bus tickets. These processes show that purchasing the bus tickets manually at the ticket counter will take a long time, especially if there are many people on the road or at the ticket counter. The second problem is the unsystematic purchasing and selling process at the ticket counter. The ticket seller is likely to make mistakes when manually filling in people's information into the system when purchasing bus tickets. For instance, the ticket seller incorrectly entered the customer's name or their phone number. It may cause other problems when they want to use the tickets. Lastly, the current problem faced is that people have trouble knowing the availability of the bus tickets. They have to go to the ticket counter by themselves to check whether the bus tickets they want according to the desired day and time are still available or not. Going there is a waste of time, especially if the bus tickets they want are already sold out.
The objectives for this project are: the very first objective is to understand the bus schedule according to the set date and time. It will be much easier for people to refer to the bus route so that people can effortlessly decide which way they want to go by using the system. The second objective are to design a database using ERD for the process of buying bus tickets. Last but not least, the objectives for this system is to develop buying and selling bus ticket system for people so that it will be complicated for people to buy bus tickets, and obviously this will save more time.
Hi, my name is Sophia Bikabullah and I will present about entity relationship diagram known as ERD. So as you can see here, this is our ERD of bus ticket system management. Here we have 5 entities with attributes. The entities of this input that store all about destination, time and price of the booking. Second is ticket that store all about booking that made by passengers. Third is passenger that store all about personal information of the passenger. Fourth is bus, which is its contents all data about the bus. The last one is seat. Seat is enable the passenger to make the booking for the seat. Next, we move to the queries. So, the first one is the query to create a table. For example, to create a table passenger. So, for the table passenger, we have 4 attributes which are passenger ID, name, phone name, and email. In this case, we have passenger ID as the primary key and we have no foreign key. So, this is the sample of output for the table passenger and its entities. The second query is the simple query. Based on the question, we have to list all the destination with different values and sort the record in ascending order for the destination. So, in this case, we have to use the select distance statement in the command to show the different values only without any duplicate values. We also use the order by statement to sort the record in ascending order. So, this is the sample output for the query, and as you can see, there are no duplicate values in the column destination. Next, we look at the query for group function. The question asks to display how many buses that have been bought in each year and sort the record in ascending order for the year by. So, in this case, we have to use the select count statement in the command to count the number of buses. Then, we use the order by statement to sort the record in ascending order. So, as you can see, this is the sample output for the query. Then, we look at the next query, which is join on multiple or joining table query. Based on the question, we have to list all the passenger ID, name and ticket ID, which is the passenger ID that have matching values in the table ticket and table passenger. So, in this case, we have to use the inner join statement in the command. The inner join statement will return records of passenger ID that have matching values in both tables. So, as you can see, this is the sample output for the query. Next, we look at the last query, which is the sub-query. The question asks to display all the bus ID, plate number and the year by that have been bought in the year of 2017, 2018, 2020 and 2022 only. So, in this case, we have to use the IN operator that allows us to specify multiple values in a where clause. For this question, we use the IN operator to display all the bus that only bought in 2017, 2018, 2020 and 2022. So, as you can see, this is the sample output for the query.